on? Hey, guess what I found?
Holy crap. You must have done some digging. Where'd you find this?
Good. You're awake.
Hey, who are you?
I'm the boogeyman. I'm Betty's blind spot. I've heard every one of your secret whispered conversations, and I'm not sure why, but I know that piece of rock there makes your flesh weak and vulnerable. So I'm gonna get ready, and then we're gonna have a grand old time chopping you up into little chunks.
Archie! Archie, where are you?
Get rid of her, or I'll hack her up too. Do it now.
Alice, I'm just cleaning. I'll come by later.
Well, you can, but your dog can't. He got into my closet again and ruined my favorite kitten heels.
It's fine. Just go, please.
I'm leaving him here. We'll talk about compensation later.
Well done. But don't worry. I'll be visiting Alice later.
Go kill! Good boy. Bingo! Bingo! Come here, boy. Hey, come here. Come here. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Good boy.